In this video, we'll show you how Fotoware can connect to our Microsoft Office plugin, in case you need to insert graphics, logos, or photos in a Word or PowerPoint document. Find the Office plugin in PowerPoint or Word in the Insert area. Open it by clicking on the Fotoware search icon. The first time you're using it, you will be asked to log in via the web browser. Use the global search field to find the assets you need. Simply type in a keyword and click on the looking glass to search in your Fotoware DAM. Choose the asset you need and drag and drop it into your file. The Office plugin inserts your normally much larger images automatically in a suitable size, so you don't have to worry about pixels and DPI. If you are using placeholders, add the asset by double-clicking it. Depending on your project and layout, you might also want to choose the size of the image before inserting. Open the drop-down menu on the right side of your thumbnails and choose between a small, medium, or large version of the image. You can also edit your images before inserting them. Choose Crop in the drop-down menu. This will open a separate window in which you can adjust the cropped frame, size, and angle. This will not change your original file. If you have specific photos or graphics that you are using regularly, like logos or product images, pin them as your favorites, so you never spend too much time searching for them. These files can be found here in the Favorites tab for quick access. If you want to learn more about how to use Fotoware, visit learn.fotoware.com or check out some of our other videos for more tips and tricks.